Here I have VIVO V29, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly what you have to do is to hold down power key, then tap power off, and after device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. Here in this menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the second option, recovery mode, and after that device will enter recovery mode. So here at the recovery you have such options as install software, clear data, check system, enter safe mode, and yeah, you can also power off and restart your device from here. So when you're done using recovery, just select an option restart and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.